Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. First, I thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because by the grace of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala we were given the opportunity to meet at the event Peace Borobudur International Symposium 2021. And then allow please me to introduce myself. My name is Fauzan Maskur, first author in this paper, and Askia Mahmud, Adi Fajaranto, Angga Prastyo, Muhammad Banu Setiawan, and Yofi Litanyanda is other author. And I come from Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, East Java, Indonesia. Okay, I will present my paper with title Classification the Melon Range using Convolutional Neural Network or CNN. As the first author, would like to thank you for the opportunity given to us to participate in Peace Borobudur International Symposium 2021. Okay, this is background to the problem in our paper. Melon fruit in Latin is called Cucumis melo, L. One type that comes from the pumpkin tribe or Cucurbitaceae. This fruit contain nutrients and minerals that are very good for health. And currently there are 94 superior melon variety in Indonesia, one of which is the skyrocket melon type. The skyrocket melon variety is the most widely grown type of melon. Fruit that we know so far are divided into two groups. The first is the climateric group and the second is the non-climateric group. In this case, melon belongs to the non-climateric group, where in this non-climateric group the fruit must be harvested in ripe condition. Therefore, there are still many farmers who harvest melon at the same time. Where at the time of harvesting melon certainly have different maturity. The level of ripeness of melon is difficult to distinguish between unripe and ripe melon because the rind color are most the same, in which at the time of harvesting melon certainly have different ripeness. The result of research observations that the melon can produce 5 to 6 melon in each plant. And now research problem in our paper based on the difficulties experienced by melon farmer in determining the maturity level of melon. This study will classify melon maturity using CNN. The formulation of the problem in this research, namely how to classify unripe and ripe melon using CNN deep learning algorithm. In this method in our research, the convolutional neural network architecture has deep network consisting of several layers and is a development of the multiplier perceptron or MLP, and is designed to process large dimensional data so that it is widely applied to image or visual data. Based on the function of the CNN architecture, there are three layers, namely convolution layer, and then subsampling layer, and fully connected. Or CNN, there are several parts during the feature extraction process, namely convolution layer, polling layer, ReLU activation, fully connected layer, and softmax activation. And this is result. Melon fruit image acquisition was taken using a smartphone camera with a distance of about 15 to 16 centimeters during the day. The distance and time of image acquisition greatly affect the resolution of the resulting image, so that image acquisition is carried out at the same time. In this research, 316 images were used, which were divided into two classes, namely unripe and ripe fruit. Each class will be divided into training and testing data with a ratio of 17 to 13. The state of melon fruit classification can be seen in figure. Classification with three methods, namely KNN, nearest neighbor, decision tree, and SVM, or support vector machine. And this research process starting from image input to the end of the classification using the CNN algorithm. And three classification methods produce data on accuracy of training and testing data as shown in the figure or graphic. Graphic in left, training and testing accuracy, and graphic on right, training and testing loss. Okay, and then conclusion. Our research is in CNN architecture. This research is 4-layer convolution, epoch 13, input shape 118, with the training dataset of 116 images and testing dataset of 116 images, provide 99% accuracy training and 99% accuracy testing in identifying melon image. The CNN algorithm is quite good for image-based identification of melon ripeness. The result of training with 13 epochs using a learning rate of 0.001, obtaining a training accuracy of 99%. After using 115 new data, the accuracy value was 62%, because take image and not same time. Okay, thank you for opportunity to me to present our paper. Thank you for Komite BIS Borobudur International Symposium 2021. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.